Welcome students, welcome to Industrial Fluid Power session. This session we are going to see about the components of hydraulic system, under that accessories. So under this hydraulic accessories, this session we are going to see about the hydraulic seals and gaskets. So these are the hydraulic seals and gaskets. This is how practically these hydraulic seals and gaskets look like. So hydraulic seals and gaskets. A hydraulic seal is a relatively soft non-metallic ring captured in a groove or fixed in a combination of rings, forming a seal assembly to block or separate fluid in reciprocating motion applications. So hydraulic seals are vital in machinery. It's important in machinery. Their use is critical in providing a way for fluid power to be converted to linear motion. So this is the hydraulic seals which is used in the piston rod, which is used in the piston head. So this separates used to separate the fluid motion with the reciprocating metals. So what is the material used for hydraulic seals and gasket? Hydraulic seals can be made from a variety of materials such as polyurethane, rubber or PTFE, that is polytetrafluoroethylene. The type of material is determined by the specific operating conditions or limits due to fluid type, pressure, fluid chemical compatibility or temperature. What is the functions of seals? To stop leakage of oil, to maintain the pressure and to keep out contamination in the system, to enhance the working life of the system, to enhance the functional reliability of components over longer period. So now we are going to study the classification of hydraulic seals based on applications. So hydraulic seals are classified into two types: static seals and dynamic seals. What is these static seals? Static seals are those seals which are used to seal two mating parts which are not moving or which are not having any relative motion between them. These seals are stationary. These are generally installed once and forgotten. Example, sealing and covers of DA cylinder, that is double acting cylinder. So these are used to seal two mating parts but which are not in motion. And second type of seal is a dynamic seal. So dynamic seals are those seals which are used to seal two mating parts but which are having relative motion between them. This means seals are moving every now and then with components. So these dynamic seals are also used to seal two mating parts but which are having relative motion. So examples of dynamic seals. These seals used between piston and cylinder. The motion encountered by dynamic seals may be either reciprocating or rotary or a combination of both. Let's see this. This is the static seals. This seal used in the end cover. This end cover you don't have any motion, but these two having a these seals are also used in the two mating parts. This is a mating. These are the two mating parts, and but they don't have any motion. But dynamic seals, you can see in the piston head, we are using the dynamic seal which seal between the piston and the cylinder body, and this is the dynamic seal which used in the base and the piston rod. So dynamic seals are used for mating parts but with having relative motion. Static seals are also used for the mating parts but with don't have any relative motions. So these are the examples of seals. How these seals they are using in the hydraulic piston and rod. Classification of hydraulic seals based on degree of sealing and extent of sealing. Positive seals and non-positive seals. Positive seals are those seals which do not allow any leakage, that is internal or external. And non-positive seals. Non-positive seals are those seals which permits a small amount of internal leakage. Now the classification of hydraulic seals based on shape of seals. First is the O-ring seal. These are most common and simple seals with circular cross section like O, hence called O-ring. The O-ring is used as static as well as dynamic seal. The material used for O-ring is synthetic rubber and specified by its internal and outer dia. The rubber cross section of O-ring changes to oval shape under low pressure, hence O-ring are non-positive seals. O-rings are fitted with back ring. The figure depicts sealing of cylinder and piston by using O-ring with backup ring. So this is the actual schematic view of the O-ring. So this is the O-ring. You're having a backup ring which is used in the piston rod. Next comes the V-ring seal. V-ring seal is also called the V-packing. It is commonly used in hydraulic systems. These seals are available in pieces to facilitate assembly and specific size. It has cross section resembling to letter V. There are male and female adapter at the extreme ends as shown. In between V seal rings can be assembled. These are made up of fluorocarbon reinforced with cotton. Asbestos are made up of neoprene reinforced with asbestos. So these are the examples of V rings, and having a female adapter and the male adapter and the both the sides. This is how the V rings look like. It's simply having the shape of the V symbol. Then U packing seal. U packing seal is most versatile in various applications and used as internal dia rod seal or outer dia piston seal. U packings are available in rectangular cross section. U packings are available in rectangular cross section shape to suit piston seals. U packing with long lips suitable for eccentric operations. U packing with short lips suitable for pressure system. And U packings are usually made up of leather or fabric reinforced rubber. These seals are balanced seals and no staking like V-ring seal is required. This is how the U-ring seal, U-packing seal looks like. Then comes to the cup seal. Cup seals. The seals are most commonly used with piston as shown in the figure. These are available in variety of geometric shapes to suit the applications. These seals can take higher pressure up to 700 bar. The material used for these seals is polyurethane for leather. For low pressure applications, neoprene is used. So this is how this U cup seal looks like. You can use this inside the piston. This is how this U cup seal look like. Then T-ring seals. These are very modern seals. This can be installed as O-ring, but these seals are equally effective as static as well as dynamic seals. T-ring seals can be used on rod as well as piston. Now let's check what are the selection criteria for seals. Before selecting proper seal, the design engineer has to check the following points for specific applications. The selection criteria for seals as under: type of fluid or oil used in system, whether it is compatible with oil used, maximum temperature of system in working condition, functional reliability expected, expected life of seal, cost of seal, working pressure of system, and environmental condition. Let's see the video how these hydraulic seals are practically used in hydraulic systems or hydraulic applications.
Trelleborg Sealing Solutions develops and manufactures seals for demanding environments, including seals for linear hydraulic applications, where Trelleborg solutions give optimum performance in hydraulic cylinders. Hydraulic linear seals are important to the effectiveness of cylinders in numerous applications, in machine tools, injection molding machines, and presses. Seals are crucial components in off-highway equipment, such as excavators. Seals prevent the ingress of abrasive media in backhoes. They minimize leakage, avoiding soil contamination by agricultural vehicles, and ensure the smooth running of forestry machinery. In aircraft, seals must meet safety requirements in critical applications and give the ultimate reliability in wind power turbines running 24/7 in demanding environments. Typical solutions for wind power include the turbine's main brake, its accumulator, lock cylinder, yaw brake, and pitch cylinder. Let's have a look at the pitch cylinder in more detail. The function of the pitch cylinder is to adjust the rotor blades of a wind turbine. It works constantly, moving the turbine's blade to maximize energy production from the wind. The cylinder's linear sealing configuration consists of a piston sealing solution and a rod sealing solution. The piston seal prevents fluid in the cylinder from flowing across the piston, while wear rings prevent metal-to-metal contact and absorb transverse loads. The piston seal is a vital component within the cylinder. It seals the cylinder so that the pressure difference, which makes the cylinder extend and retract, is ensured. The rod sealing solution prevents leakage of hydraulic fluid from the cylinder to the outside. A scraper excludes dirt, foreign particles, and moisture from the system. The rod seal also ensures there is sufficient lubrication for the piston rod. The Turcon Step Seal V is one of Trelleborg's latest rod seal designs. The patented hydrostatic pressure relief channel helps avoid overpressure and damage. Pressure builds up with every stroke of the cylinder. Once the critical level is reached, the unique design ensures smooth pressure relief before any damage occurs. Trelleborg's polyurethane scraper DA24 provides a similar pressure relief function. Its unique design includes a pressure relief valve function to prevent system failure. Innovations like these have made Trelleborg a leading supplier of linear seals around the globe. Trelleborg Seating Solutions, your partner for seating technology. www.tss.trelleborg.com.
Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. So let's see the next session.